I bought this antique shade. All right, so you can see it's only about 1/4 inch across. And then I found this fixture on eBay, and it's going to work perfectly except for one thing.
You're watching Patrick Parson Workshop.
Here in one of the bedrooms in my house, and that is the ceiling. See, there's no light fixture there. So I bought this antique shade from the internet, from eBay, and really liked it. Realized we didn't have a fixture that would work with it. One of the challenges is that hole that you see there. All right, so you can see it's only about 1/4 inch across. This screw here, 3/8. So I got this. It is a drill bit that is supposed to be able to cut through glass. I'm a little bit nervous about this because I don't want to break this antique shade. We really like this, and I think it's going to look perfect in the room there. So wearing my safety glasses here for sure. And you're supposed to use, from everything that I've seen, you're supposed to use water. So what I'm going to do, kind of like you'd give your dog medicine from, right? It's got the hole in the end, these little plastic syringes. And I'm going to try to keep this wet while I'm drilling. And the key here, I've heard, is just drill very, very slow. I want to make sure I'm lined up here. Maybe I'll wet it, drill for a second, come up, wet it again. Maybe I'll try that. All right, let's go for it. Looks like it's cutting. It is cutting. It looks like there's enough water in there, right? Wow, it is almost all the way through. Very nice. Think it worked. All right, so now I've got light bulbs in the fixture, and I don't know if you can tell, but these are not your standard length light bulbs. They're little short kind of mini bulbs. The base is the same, but the bulb itself probably only sticks out about half as far as a normal bulb. And the reason why I got those is because when we put a normal bulb in here and tried to put this glass shade on, it wouldn't go on. You see kind of the shape of this. So as it pushes up, the light bulbs meet it about right here, and there's not enough room. And actually, there's still not enough room here to get that threaded piece through the hole. So what I'm going to do is try to extend that threaded piece. Show you how I'm going to do that. So I bought the same size, 3/4 inch, a hex screw, and I'm going to cut it off right there, right where the threads start. And then I'm going to put this hex nut on here, and then I'm also going to put this threaded section up into it just to extend this so I can get it through that hole and mount the shade here. So that's the plan. All right, I'll go ahead and cut this hex bolt now. Hope you can see here, I've extended this threaded rod by putting a nut on there, 3/8 inch nut, and then a little section of 3/8 inch threaded rod that matches that, just to extend it down a little further. So, got a couple little gaskets that I'm going to put on here. I'm going to put the shade on. This is the moment of truth. I have not done this prior to this video, so this is the first go. Ooh, it looks like it's going to work. Huh. Nice. Looks like there's just enough of that threaded rod hanging down here for me to get this finial on there real nicely. Turn it on and see what that looks like. Hey guys, thanks for hanging in there. There were some twists and turns in this project, as you saw, not real straightforward. I'm so glad to have that globe up there finally. We've had it for months now. We've got this new house, new to us, from 1947. And there's a lot of stuff that needs done. So you're going to be seeing some of that in the videos, along with our normal content, which is making woodworking type videos. So we appreciate you tagging along. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and tap that notification bell so you can get alerts every time we post a video. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I do read all the comments, so if there's something that I missed or messed up on, I'm sure there's a lot, leave me a comment and I will read it and try to respond to as many as I can. Thank you. Please keep my family in your prayers. I'll be praying for you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.